started with good old classic Honey Nut Cheerios. You'll spread a nice even layer right onto the bottom of your baking dish. Now right away, we're gonna pop right over here and into our saucepan, we are gonna start by adding a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. On top of that, I have some tasty honey. So we'll add a 1/4 cup of honey on top of that peanut butter. Oof, honey and peanut butter. Who haven't had a honey peanut butter sandwich? So good. All right, kicking it up a notch, we got a bag of mini marshmallows. So we'll dump that right on top there as well. Oh, these are gonna all go so delicious with those Honey Nut Cheerios. And to top it off, I have a 1/4 cup of butter. So we'll just stick that right in there. Now you wanna cook this until you combine the marshmallow with the butter, the honey. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Our peanut butter, honey, marshmallow, and butter is all mixed together. And let me tell you what, it smells fabulous. Okay, you guys, so we're just gonna take this right away and we're gonna pour it right on top of these Cheerios. Check it out. So we got Honey Nut Cheerios and then we got honey and peanut butter. Oh, it's gonna pair together perfectly. So get all of that out. Oh yeah, that looks creamy and tasty. I'll take a minute just to mix it all together so we can fully coat those Cheerios. Yummy, so we have a little bit of honey and a little bit of nut mixed with our Honey Nut Cheerios to take it up a notch. So just fully spread them out until they're nice and even. I'm gonna kind of pack them down a little bit, but to be honest, I really do wanna keep them a little bit more on the airy and fluffy side, but it's totally up to you. If you wanna smash them down, go ahead. If you're gonna add anything else on top, this is definitely the time and the space when you wanna do it. Otherwise, if you're satisfied with that, go ahead and set them to the side for a couple hours, let them cool down and stick around because this little easy marshmallow treat bite, I don't know, what are you gonna call this thing? I'm not sure. It's going to be out of the world delicious. So stick around and I can't wait to show you. Ooh-wee, I cannot wait to sink my teeth into these. I have been patiently waiting. Oh, I can hear the crispy crunchiness from those Cheerios. Oh, I can see the peanut butter. I know the honey is gonna be super tasty in there. I cannot wait to give myself a bite. I'm gonna get this chunk right out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Pull it apart here, that marshmallow goodness. Oh, it's going right in my mouth here. Oh my goodness. One of my favorites by far. When was the last time you ate Honey Nut Cheerios? Would you choose a different cereal? Are you gonna do anything different? How much do you love this? I love these things. I'm probably gonna eat about 3 more. Don't tell anybody. I hope you guys love this. Let me know if you're gonna change it up in any way, and we'll see you guys later. Enjoy.